Looking for some free nifty option trading tips? Looking for some free nifty option trading tips? In this video, we'll share with you some of our favorite tips to help you get started in trading options. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you get more out of your options trading. Here are our top tips. 1. Get to know the different types of options. 2. Make sure you understand the risks involved. 3. Choose the right broker. 4. Use a demo account to practice. 5. Stay up to date with market news. Following these tips will help you get started on the right foot and improve your chances of success in options trading. If you're looking for some free tips to help you get started in options trading, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share with you some of our favorite tips to help you get more out of your options trading. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you get more out of your options trading. There are a lot of different ways to trade options, and no one way is necessarily better than another. However, there are some tips that can help you get more out of your options trading, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. One of the most important things to remember when trading options is to always have a clear exit strategy. That means knowing ahead of time what you'll do if the trade goes against you. Without a clear exit strategy, it's easy to get caught up in the emotion of the moment and make poor decisions. Another important tip is to always manage your risk. That means knowing how much you're willing to lose on a trade before you enter it. It's also important to have a clear idea of your target profit. Once you know those two things, you can more easily manage your risk and make sure your trade is profitable. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Options trading is a complex subject, and there's no one right way to do it. Try different strategies and see what works best for you. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn and the more successful you'll be.